Dinner time dilemma? Not anymore. Tired of the same old boring dinners? Fear not, culinary heroes. We know how frustrating it can be to face the same uninspired meals night after night. Tonight we're taking ordinary to extraordinary with a dish so simple yet bursting with flavor, it'll leave everyone begging for second. Imagine transforming your kitchen into a gourmet paradise with just a few easy steps. Get ready to impress yourself and maybe even a few lucky guests, because tonight we're cooking up a storm. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can turn any meal into a memorable feast. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned pro, this recipe is your ticket to a stress-free, delicious meal. It's designed to be foolproof, ensuring that anyone can create a culinary masterpiece. So ditch the takeout menus, grab your apron, optional but always encouraged, and let's get cooking. Together, we'll make dinner time exciting again, one delicious dish at a time. Introducing one-pan lemon herb chicken. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our star of the show, one-pan lemon herb chicken. This dish is all about simplicity and maximum flavor with minimal effort. Juicy chicken thighs roasted to perfection with a vibrant blend of fresh herbs and tangy lemon. It's a symphony of taste that will have you licking your plate clean. The best part? It's all made on one pan, meaning less washing up for you. Now that's what we call a win-win situation. Gathering your culinary arsenal. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather our trusty ingredients together. Don't worry, we're sticking to simple, easy-to-find items that you probably already have in your kitchen. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about 1.5 pounds. 1 lemon, fresh rosemary sprigs, fresh thyme sprigs, olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. See, nothing intimidating here at all. Just a handful of fresh ingredients ready to transform into a culinary masterpiece. Section 4. Let's get cooking. All right, chefs, it's time to get our hands dirty. Not literally, of course. Cooking is an art, and today we're going to create a masterpiece together. So roll up your sleeves and let's dive right in. Follow these easy-peasy steps, and you'll be on your way to culinary greatness. No need to be a professional chef to make a dish that will impress your family and friends. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial as it ensures that your chicken cooks evenly and gets that beautiful golden brown color. While the oven heats up, give your chicken thighs a good rinse under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. This helps to remove any excess moisture, which is key for achieving a crispy skin. Place the chicken thighs in a single layer in a baking dish or roasting pan. Make sure they are not overlapping, as this will allow them to cook evenly and get that perfect roast. Drizzle the chicken generously with olive oil, ensuring all sides are coated. Olive oil not only adds flavor, but also helps in crisping up the skin. Now for the flavor bombs. This is where you can get creative and add your personal touch. Sprinkle the chicken with salt and black pepper to your liking. Don't be shy with the seasoning, it brings out the natural flavors of the chicken. Next, zest the lemon directly over the chicken. The zest adds a vibrant citrus aroma and taste that will elevate the dish. This adds a vibrant citrus aroma and taste. The lemon zest is packed with essential oils that release a fresh, tangy flavor. Cut the zested lemon into wedges and tuck them among the chicken pieces. This will infuse the chicken with a subtle lemony flavor as it bakes. Finally, scatter the rosemary and thyme sprigs over the chicken. These herbs are not just for garnish, they add a depth of flavor that is both earthy and aromatic. The herbs will infuse the dish with their aromatic goodness as it bakes. The combination of rosemary and thyme is classic and pairs perfectly with the lemon and chicken. Pop that beautiful creation into the preheated oven and let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and golden brown. Keep an eye on it towards the end to make sure it doesn't overcook, and there you have it. A simple yet delicious dish that is sure to impress. Section 5. Time-saving tricks for the budding chef. Short on time? No problem. Here are a few handy tips to make this recipe even quicker. Use pre-chopped herbs from the grocery store. Substitute lemon pepper seasoning for fresh lemon and black pepper. While the chicken is baking, prepare a simple side dish, like steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. Remember, cooking should be fun and stress-free. Don't hesitate to adapt the recipe to suit your needs and preferences. Section 6. Simple tools, extraordinary flavors. You don't need a fancy kitchen arsenal to create delicious meals at home. In fact, some of the best dishes come from the simplest setups. This recipe proves that point perfectly. With just a handful of basic tools, you can create something truly extraordinary. Here are the basic tools we use. Nothing too fancy, just the essentials. A baking dish or roasting pan, which is perfect for roasting vegetables or baking casseroles. A zester or grater, optional for the lemon zest. Measuring spoons to get your measurements just right. A sturdy cutting board and a sharp knife for all your chopping needs. See, simple everyday tools that are probably already in your kitchen. No need to invest in expensive gadgets. With just a few basic pieces of equipment and our easy-to-follow recipe, you can whip up restaurant-quality meals right at home. It's all about technique and using what you have efficiently. Section 7. You. A culinary rock star in the making, and there you have it. A simple, flavorful and utterly satisfying one-pan lemon herb chicken that will impress even the pickiest eaters. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and having fun. Don't be afraid to tweak the recipe to your liking. Add your personal touch and, most importantly, enjoy the process. So go ahead, unleash your inner chef and create magic in your kitchen. Trust me, you've got this.